OMG Nation, and Merry Christmas. It's Christmas Eve, December the 24th, 2019, and I wanted to tell you guys that I'm so appreciative of all of my subscribers, all 61 of you guys. I appreciate it. You have no idea how much I appreciate it. I know that doesn't seem like a lot to some people, because there's moto vloggers out there that have tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, and over 1 million subscribers. But to me, the fact that 61 people actually care about what I say, that will take the time out of their day to listen to my anywhere from 5 minutes to 20-something minute long videos, it means a ton to me. It means so much to me, I can barely even express it. Ooh, the Franklin Theater, I love that place. But so what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna try to run over here. Like I said, I'm in downtown Franklin. If you can see, I don't know if you can see it yet, the Christmas tree that they put up every single year, it lights up. It's right in the middle of the town square. I'm gonna try to pull up there and get a good picture, make it my Christmas Eve photo, a postcard photo, so to speak. I don't have anybody to mail them out to, but yeah, look at this right here. So this lights up, the star lights up at night. It's really cool. It's actually a pretty big attraction out here. All right, let's see, where would I pull in? Let me get right here in the loop on this roundabout. Where would I pull in? There's not a place. I think there's only one place to pull in. Yep, that's it right there. So basically I'll have to pull in right here, whip up right there and take a quick picture. Okay, I just ran up there and had to disassemble my helmet. I got some guy, random dude, to take a picture for me. Thank you, sir. Let's see. Let me slide back into traffic here where I can make the turn. What is that? A little iron 883. What the heck is this thing? Okay. Let me get a shot of whatever the heck this is right here. Coming down. Well, everybody brought the big boy toys out today. So look at this thing right here. Look at this big boy toy right here. What do you guys think that is? About a $20,000 lift on that truck? Yeah, everybody's bringing their big boy toys out today. They're just cruising downtown Franklin. It's like the old days back when I was in high school. We used to come around and just cruise the square. They had a rule down here. You could only come through maybe 2 or 3 times, and if they saw you after that, they give you a warning. They saw you again, you got a ticket for loitering or something, which I don't know how, or maybe it was cruising or something. I don't know how they give you a ticket for loitering when you're on a public street, but whatever. I think maybe they made a cruising law. Just sit right here and get all kinds of footage. Oh, look at that little Acura NSX. Yeah, get that GMC blocking it real good. You can't see it, brother. There you go. I didn't even see that thing over there. I guess I'll roll down and peel through. It's so busy down here on Christmas Eve. Everybody's just out walking around. True, I smell that dude's cigarette. Went right in my helmet. I don't feel like you see a whole lot of, at least I don't run into a ton of folks smoking down here. Look, here's that NSX. Whoop, whoop, whoop. She got gingerbreads on her butt. That was great. Old gingerbread butt. Alright, let's spin back around here. Oh, and there's a new NSX. Oh, that's a Ferrari. What did we talk about? NSX. Whoop, whoop. Let's see if this guy's ready to race the 88 cubic inch motor. I feel like his tags are expired. 07? Yeah. I think this person's tags are slightly expired in this Ferrari. This Corvette behind me has been cruising around. Everybody's just cruising around. I need to be cruising in this Ferrari right here. Look at those low profile rims on that sucker. My boy would love this. He calls them Rories for some reason. I don't guess he can say Ferrari. But every time he sees one, look at that Rory! It's like he needs some new tires. Somebody's been spinning them wheels. Burning some rubber on that dude. On that deed. Woo! It's hot. What is the temperature today? It's 66 degrees in Franklin on Christmas Eve. I love it. All right, bye Ferrari. I'm gonna peel off here. Oh, and by the way, I was going to do my review on my Speed and Strength Kevlar jeans, and I filmed all this footage, and I don't know if I misplaced it, if I deleted it, or exactly what happened, but I couldn't find the footage anymore, so I've got to redo that. That's why I didn't drop it this past Sunday when I said I was going to, but that happens every now and then. I've got a episode coming out where me and a couple of the guys went down the trace and we did a big outro at the end, and for some reason I lost all that footage as well, so I guess I didn't film it properly or save it properly or something. So, but anyways, that's what happened to my review video on Speed and Strength. So it's coming. I've just got to sit down and refilm all that stuff. I have not decided what I'm gonna do for New Year's, if I'm gonna just do a montage of some stuff, my 2019 all year long stuff, which is basically since October. This channel's only been going since what's September, I believe. September or October, I can't remember at the moment. But that's what I may do for New Year's. I haven't decided. We'll just see what happens. You guys just stay tuned and see what comes out. I wrote a letter to Santa Claus and asked him for a certain vlogging camera. I don't think I'm gonna get it. It's like 1,600 bucks. I don't think Santa likes me that much. Well, I appreciate you guys watching this Christmas Eve quick Wednesday episode. Hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification and share this video or any of my episodes with a friend. I've got some links down in the description of some of the stuff that I use. They are affiliate links. They don't cost you anything extra, but they help the channel out. I've decided that when I start making any funds, I'm just going to let them sit and only purchase stuff for the channel. Batteries, SD cards, cameras, and that's it. Just so I can bring you guys better content, more camera angles. I will see you all in the next episode. Thanks for watching, everyone.